Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulk drive belt used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching our video 5 Things to Know When Changing a Drive Belt. In order to change the drive belt on your vehicle, you're going to have to lift the front and remove the passenger side wheel to have complete access. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can then remove the wheel. Don't forget to slide it under the vehicle. You will also have to take off the mudguard. Take off the engine cover. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the terminal from the negative terminal. The drive belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery. Yet, it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor, and sometimes the water pump. The drive belt is found on the passenger side of the engine compartment. Using a 16mm ring wrench or Allen wrench, loosen the drive belt by lifting the tensioner pulley. At the same time, remove the belt. When you're changing the drive belt, you also have to replace the tensioner pulley. Using a socket wrench and a 14mm socket, unscrew the holding screws on the tensioner pulley. Finish off the unscrewing process by hand and remove the pulley.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Get the new pulley and put it back in its place. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video in the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Rescrew it in using the socket wrench from the first operations, then finish off with a torque wrench set at 25 Newton-meter. You will find the bulk drive belt used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To fully put it back in place, lift the tensioner pulley in order to pass the drive belt into all of the pulleys. Then, release the tensioner pulley to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Reconnect the battery. Put the mudguard back in. Then, you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, putting it back on the ground. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.